so cute. Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. It's finally Hoco season. Guys, I literally bought my dress. Like, the dress is right here. So we'll open it and we will see if it's good. Guys, this is the dress. You will see. And then, oh my god, look at the shoes that I bought. It's so cute. Wow. Cute. Nice. Okay, and then I bought a literally cute socks that has bow in the back. So, okay, I'll go try it on. Guys, I fear the dress A. Like, it's really good. Look at the dress. It has pockets too. This is literally the outfit. The shoes are so cute. And the dress is so cute. Wait, this is so cute. Yeah, that's my dress. And this is my first time trying it. And it's my senior year, so this is my senior Hoco. And tomorrow, it's gonna be Hoco rehearsal. Because I'm dancing for the Hoco game and for Hoco, what is it called? Assembly. So, hey guys, good morning. It's 8:02 right now. So, I've been thinking for 2 months if I should get a bangs. I think I look better with bangs. But that might just be me, because the first time I caught it was really short. It was like right here, and then it wasn't pantay. So I'll cut my bangs today, right now. So I'm not even gonna watch a tutorial because I always cut my bangs by my own. Okay, that's really short. And then I'm also gonna cut my things right here because I did my hair and I kind of do like framing on my face because I think it suits me better. So I'm just gonna cut this part too so that it's like right here. I think that you should have done it like really sooner. So don't be like me, guys. There. So this is without bangs. Like, I can always hide it if I want to. This is me with bangs. And it's probably gonna get better when I shower. So I'm gonna go shower right now. Then I'll show you what it will look like because I will style it. This is me. This is my makeup. This is my jeans. And this is my pants. And we're ready to perform. So I'm just waiting for my bus. And guys, I literally just did the dance so that I can see if anything falls off. But nothing falls off and I'm doing good. We're gonna eat this up. So let's go. This is us, guys, and we're ready to perform. This is new jeans. We're new jeans. Yeah, I fear. Guys, so we're going to the homecoming game, and the team is frat. Or what's the team?
Frat.
No, there's Greek life.
Oh, yeah, frat and Greek.
Yeah, so Greek versus frat. This is me, and then this is my outfit. You want to show your outfit, brother? It's right now, it's like 4, but we have to be there at 6. But I'm just getting ready because I have nothing else to do. So we'll see you there, and we'll have fun. This is our outfit. Are we giving all frat?
Can't even see, bro. It's so dark.
I'm giving frat. Let's go. Hey guys.
We're in clip zone. This is the clip zone.
Say hi. Can you say hi to my?
Hi.
Say hi.
Ready for homecoming.
Yes. Are you ready to perform with us?
Very.
She's so swag. What?
You're so swag.
We're all swag. Yeah, guys. This is the game right now. The score is 7-0. Because we're good like that, yeah. You want to say hi? This is my vlog, I fear. This is Garam. I'm Honey. I'm Minheji. I can't zoom in that far, so this is what you get. Hi guys, this is us after performance, and honestly, there was no sound on our performance, so it was not that good. It was not that good. Hey, leader, can you tell us about the performance?
The sound was really quiet, and sometimes it would just go silent. So I was like, "What the heck is going on?"
Guys,
I was pretty good though.
I did drum. Oh, look! Yeah! Is it bubblegum? Oh god, yeah, god. Can you talk about our performance?
It was so good, even though you couldn't hear the music. Why just so zoomed in? Oh.
That was really bad.
No, it was good. You guys knew what you were doing, even though there was no music.
This is Dylan. This is our manager.
Oh.
And we were the idols.
I give it a 10 out of 10 performance.
Thank you. But yeah, guys, there was no music, so we had to sing.
And they ate it up. They ate it up.
Yeah, I messed up, guys, like twice, but it's okay.
Nobody knows.
No one will know.
Nobody knows.
Yeah, at the end of the day, everyone will forget. Emily, do you have any say?
About what? Wait, about what?
For our performance?
They sabotaged us.
Yeah, they did.
Yeah.
It was really bad.
They hit us.
Where's Saki? Sakira, do you want to say something? This goes to our vlog. This goes to my vlog.
Hey guys, we just played without music, guys. We're literally cooking.
It was bad. They were sabotaging us, but yeah, guys, that's it. I'll see you tomorrow for the Hoco. Bye. Oh, wait, any final message? I love you, Jen. Guys, so Emma made this, but she didn't bring it, so this is us.
You want this one? Yes!
Cute! Wait, can I see it?
This is gonna be a photo card.
No, seriously.
Okay.
Yeah!
That's so cute.
Oh my god! Oh my, I'm dead.
So cute.
Oh, this is Eugene's.
Thank you for getting me that.
Thank you
Cute.
for making this.
Thank you.
So
Hey guys, so I'm finally home and it's like 9:23. Yeah, so I hope we win because when we left it was already like third quarter and we were like 46 and they were only 6, so we will see, but I know we're gonna win, so I'll see you tomorrow. I'm gonna go and sleep. Hey guys, morning. Don't mind the bangs, it will get better. Today's the day. It's currently 1 p.m. and I have to be like in my friend's house by like 5 or maybe 4:30. I'll be there. I'm gonna go get ready. I'm gonna shower, do my skincare. I'll do that. I'll go shower. See you guys then. Hey guys, I'm wearing the dress. I just kind of just put on jewelries because I was not feeling the dress, but you know, I feel like jewelry always makes everything better. And honestly guys, I was gonna start crying because it's the realization that it's basically our last Hoco and that I'm a senior. That I'm actually a senior and I'm gonna graduate. So that's just how you know that I'm gonna cry during graduation, even though I didn't go full-time high schooler. Like, I just know I'm gonna cry my eyes out. Even though I don't know any of the people I'm gonna graduate with. Just my friends. I'm literally just gonna cry. I don't know why. gonna add a little bit. Guys, this is me. I did my hair. I just put a little bow and then I added jewelries. This is so cute. Look at this one, jewelries. And then I added bracelet too. And then I just added necklace I've been using for a while now. And then this is so cute. I'm gonna go take photos and gonna go to my friends after. It's probably like 3 right now. So I have like an hour to take photos and do everything before I go to my friends. Hey guys. I'm at my friend's house now. You guys want to say hi to the vlog?
Hello.
This is our Pookie Tina. Ooh, she looks so cute.
Hey.
Why are you coming forward? Oh, okay, cute. Oh, are we making a thirst trap edit of you in my vlog? Oh, that's Emma right there. Pookie, can you say hi? It looks so cute.
Oh, stop.
How excited are you for our last Hoco?
First and last Hoco?
Yes.
Wait, what? Really? Wait,
Yeah, this is my first one.
wait, Emily, is this your first one?
Very excited.
We're excited. Emily-san, can you say something?
Hey.
Guys, we're here.
Do you think he's gonna get to go try?
We're at our school.
Yeah,
This is Hoco. This is it. This is us before Hoco. No, we're at Hoco. Yeah. This is Hoco. This is during Hoco. So Hoco bathroom. Yeah. Oh, guys, I don't want to go in there anymore.
Yeah, and then we're gonna like leave soon.
Yeah. Yeah. No, we're staying until the end.
When does that end?
10. I fear. Guys, this is us. Who are you wearing today, Emily?
So this is from Macy's, right, Emma?
Yeah. Did you get at Macy's?
And these are my shoes.
Cute.
From Target.
This is from Princess Polly and I think looking. And then this is my shoes from Princess Polly. Okay. This is Emily's sweater.
Cute.
So cute. But where did you get it from?
Amazon.
Amazon.
Okay.
This dress is from Beginning Boutique,
Cute.
but I thrifted it on ThredUp for $18. You save up money. And then these are my shoes. They're my mom's, so I don't know where they're
And
from.
then do a 360.
Oh, okay.
360.
Oh, cute! I also have a doll, so we're twinning. So we're twins. Oh. Yeah. We're about to party so hard.
Yay.
Can you show your favorite dance move? Oh!
Guys, we're at the function, but it's so dark. Can you say hi? Say hi, guys. It's so dark in here.
This is the Hoco.
I fear no one is here.
Wait, did they downgrade it?
I fear no one is here. We're too early. There's literally no one here. Well, everyone is outside.
Okay guys, so we're drinking.
Chug, chug, chug. She's adding popcorn. Period.
It took a lot of hard shit just and learn how not to break down and stop it. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. You can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I say it's journey straight to your face, won't contemplate, you got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you.
Hey guys, we're home and that's it for this vlog. Thank you so much